Okay, holistic travel guy. We are now have left the Gran Via and we are heading down a side street in search of our first restaurant in Spain, in Madrid. We're searching for a restaurant called VEGA, and it's known for its vegan cuisine, vegetarian vegan cuisine, and it's also highly recommended on YouTube. It's covered in many other YouTube videos. So we are off the main boulevard, but we are staying on a well-lit path because we just went to the bank and we got a bunch of money out of the bank. And now we're going to, is it up that way? No.
Next street, left. I mean,
Right. So now we're gonna go 5 minutes further because we're about a minute from the hotel, maybe 2 minutes. So according to Google, Vega is a 6-minute walk from our hotel. And this cafe bar Tabara actually looks interesting. Tapas and raciones. And for some reason, there's nobody in there, even though tapas bars are supposed to be open at night. This one is not yet occupado. Not sure why. Maybe they're doing some cleaning. Anyway, we're gonna do another clip when we get to the front of Vega. Some really beautiful hotels on this street, including our own. There's the Sterling Hotel. Very old architecture buildings. Is it this way? I think it is. We're going to take this alley down this way to go to Vega. Right down this dark, mysterious alley. But first, we've got to learn how to cross the street safely because it's crazy here. It's very crazy here. Here is the Miski Tapas Bar. Actually, it's more like a bakery, it looks like. Like cafe and so they're just everywhere here. They're around, literally on every corner and a half a dozen in between the corners. So we're following the blue dot on Google Maps right now. And that red spot is Vega, and we are heading in that direction. And we've got to learn how to walk on the sidewalks because people are flying by literally at 40 miles an hour on bicycles going uphill. That woman was just going 40 on a bicycle going uphill, believe it or not. So we're closing in on our restaurant. It's just following the blue dot. That's all we got to do. Follow the blue dot. We'll see you there when we get there.